everyone, it's Aisha Beau here, and I'm so excited to share with you that I have found the perfect styling product to make the most defined and moisturized twist out. As some of you may know who have been watching my channel for quite some time, I'm not the biggest fan of twist outs. I feel like they're a little bit too unpredictable. Maybe it's because I hadn't found the right product yet, maybe it's because my hair was still growing, I don't know. But recently I decided that now that the weather is a lot colder outside, I can't be rocking a wash and go as much as I used to in the summer. So I've decided that it's time for me to start venturing out into the world of twist outs a little bit more often, because that is one of the styles that really helps to retain moisture in your hair. So as I was hunting and searching for the perfect product, I came across one by Camille, and it's their Almond twisting butter. And I saw really great reviews on it. I saw a few people who had similar hair types to mine using it and having super defined and moisturized curls, so I decided to buy it. And this video tutorial will show you my first time ever using the product. And as you can see, it did wonders. I was a little bit nervous because twisting butters and twisting creams for me have always felt too heavy, but this product really gives my hair the nice hold and definition it needs without weighing it down. But before we continue on to the video, please make sure that you subscribe. Alright, now let's get into it. Hi everyone, here I am with freshly co-washed hair. I did a really quick co-wash and I actually didn't detangle in the shower, so I'm going to detangle right now. And what I'm going to use to detangle each section of my hair is my favorite detangler, the Kinky Curly Not Today Leave-In / Detangler. And this product just makes my hair feel so smooth, looks so shiny. It really helps to retain that moisture, which is the main reason why I've started doing twist outs a lot more lately. So I'm going to go through each section with this and gently detangle before I start styling. The thing that I love about this detangler is that it has so much slip, it's super lightweight, but at the same time it really helps to detangle my hair without a lot of shedding, and it goes so well with a ton of other products. Honestly, a leave-in that works well with a bunch of other styling products is a godsend, so now that I found it, it's my favorite. And when I'm detangling, I like to always start from the bottom and then work my way up. That way I'm not ripping my hair out of my head. It really helps to minimize shedding. So I just finished detangling and putting leave-in conditioner in my hair using the Kinky Curly Not Today Detangler. So today I'm only going to be using one styling product. And the product is the Camille Naturals Almond Twisting Butter. Just because I know that butters retain a lot more moisture for your hair than gels and mousses do, those types of products tend to dry your hair out. And now that the weather is a lot more chilly outside, which is obviously the reason why I'm trying to do more twist outs, I've decided that I need to find the perfect butter product for my hair, because I really want my hair to stay moisturized all winter long. So let's see how this goes. This is my first time using it. Okay, it smells really good. It actually smells like frosting, which isn't a bad thing. It smells really nice and consistency is good. It's not too thick, but at the same time it is thick enough where I know that it's going to give me that moisture that I need and hopefully give me the definition that I want as well. So let's get started. So I'm just going to separate my hair off into sections and start twisting that way. I'm not going to make the twist super big because again I really want this style to be defined, and the way that I can maximize that potentially happening is if I do smaller sections. So I'm going to make this into an even smaller section, and then I'm going to make sure that it's nice and smooth. Take some of the product, smooth it onto my hair. Using my finger, I'm going to distribute the product throughout this section just to make sure that this entire piece of hair is completely saturated before I start twisting. Alright, I feel like everything is in there, all the product is covering it. Put my finger through the middle, and then I'm just going to go and twist. swirl the bottom on your finger like this so that the ends are nice and twisted in and not out like that. I'm going to do with the next one. Woo. Going to make sure it's nicely detangled. Add some product onto it. Make sure that the product is evenly distributed throughout the section. Alright, so I'm just going to do that with the rest of my head, and I'm going to let you know when I'm done. So now that I'm all done twisting my hair, it took me about an hour to do, but I'm done, I'm through with it. I'm going to add some oil to my scalp because it's not only important to nourish and moisturize the strands of your hair, but it's also super important that you take care of your scalp as well, especially in the winter time. And the oil that I'm going to be using is obviously Jamaican black castor oil because it retains the most moisture and I won't have to keep moisturizing my scalp throughout the week. Once I put it in, it lasts for a few days, which is amazing. And the brand of Jamaican black castor oil that I'm going to use is Rooted Treasure, which I absolutely love. And I've added it to this just so it's a little bit easier for me to distribute throughout my hair because, as you know, Jamaican black castor oil is pretty thick. So you got to use something that has a nozzle on it to make it a lot easier to distribute throughout your hair. So I'm just going to go and add this to different areas of my scalp and then rub it in. Woo, okay, so I've moisturized my entire scalp. I put the products, twists in my hair, and it is about 7 o'clock at night. I'm going to eat some dinner, chill out for a little bit, and obviously go to sleep, and then hopefully my hair will be dry in the morning. I'll keep you posted on that. I'm going to leave my hair out of a bonnet for right now, just so it can air dry a little bit more easily. When I go to bed, I will be using a bonnet, which you'll see in the morning. Woo! Good morning, everyone. Here I am the next day, and my hair is fully dry. Before I take this off, I do want to shout out my mom for getting me this new bonnet. It's by, I might kill the name, Isoken Enofe. I'm not sure if that's how you're supposed to pronounce it, but I got it from this brand, and it's so beautiful. I feel like I could probably even wear this outside. And the inside is satin lined, which is amazing. And as my hair is growing, I really needed a bigger bonnet, so this one is perfect for when my hair is out and the curls are like huge. This one really does the job, and it holds everything into place and preserves my hair overnight. So let's get into it because I gotta go and I'm always late. So we're gonna take these twists down. So I have been obsessed with the Carol's Daughter hair oil. It's black vanilla pure hair oil, and it's made to help with moisture and shine. And this hair oil is the perfect one for refreshing your curls the next day, or for adding a bit of moisture when you're about to take your twists out. So what I'm gonna do is rub it all over the twists, all throughout my hair before I start to take them down. Okay, now I got a nice little shine on these bad boys, and then I'm gonna add just a little bit more to my hands for the actual untwisting process, because I do want to minimize frizz as much as possible, even though I've already started to accumulate some. So I will say I'm really happy with how quickly the butter dried. Usually when I wear butters and curling creams in my hair takes forever to dry, but this one by Carol's Daughter, not Carol's Daughter, this one has been amazing. And look at the definition. Wow. Usually to get this definition, I have to use some type of mousse or some type of gel to really give it that hold that it needs, but that product by itself really did the damn thing. Like, I'm freaking out. Because as I said, this is my first time using it for Twist Out, and this is probably more defined, or not probably, I know for a fact it definitely is more defined than the last Twist Out video that I did. Granted, my hair was shorter. This one looks good, honey. Yes! Woo! Look at that definition. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm really happy. I'm really happy about this because I really needed a new style for the winter, because I really want to help preserve the moisture in my hair throughout the winter, and this may just be it. Yes. Alright, so I'm going to take the rest of these down, and then we'll reconvene once I'm done with it. Okay, so now that I've taken all the twists down, what I'm gonna do is make it look a little bit more realistic and not just like little crimps. And this is where it always gets a little bit tricky, because you end up with this perfectly defined twist out, and then once you start to separate it for real, things start to get a little frizzy. So what I like to do is, when it comes to separating, I like to start from the back. So I'm gonna start from the back. Again, with a little bit of oil on my fingers. I'm gonna start from the back, bottom, and I'm just gonna gently separate the pieces in the back before I pick it out. Now that I've separated my hair a bit throughout, what I'm gonna do is start to pick it out, because I want to get a sense of what the shape is looking like, how it's looking, before I decide if I want to pick it out even more. Again, this is day one hair, so you don't want to pick it out too much, because then it won't last as long. So I'm going to start from the bottom back, hold the hair up here, and then I'm just going to pick it from the root, and then stop right there. Here, same thing. Stop right there. Down here. There we go. So there you have it, my super easy and defined twist out routine using just one styling product. I'm telling you, this Camille Rose Almond Twisting Butter is the truth. This is honestly the best butter twisting butter, twisting cream that I have ever used, because it gives my hair so much definition. My hair feels extremely soft. It's not weighed down at all. It's shiny, moisturized, and there's no flaking in it. I just love it so much. This is honestly perfect for winter styling your hair. As always, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. And also make sure that you subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you'll know when my next video goes live. Until next time.